All right, it's time to call ourselves out. So yesterday's post blew up. So many of you saying, I'm one, I'm two, I'm all three. And Spirit came in this morning and said, perfect. Now tell them the truth because you don't get to claim your number and then hide behind it. So every single one of those groups, the thrill seeker, the overthinker, and the depleted, are all dancing with the same core enemy, the human condition, the ego, the toxins, the pathogens, the parasites that feed on your exhaustion, the bacteria that keep your nervous system hijacked, the viruses that steal your life force and convince you that fatigue is your personality. So, Spirit says you can't anchor light into a toxic body. You can't meditate your way out of a viral load. You can't journal your way out of a clogged liver. You can't bypass biology and call it spirituality. So, let's talk about the three groups again, but this time without the fluff. So, group one, the thrill seeker. You're riding the rides. You're wide open. You love the rush, but here's the trap. You think that means you've made it. So Spirit's laughing, saying the moment you think you know everything, you know nothing. Because the higher the voltage, the stronger the grounding has to be. Don't let the excitement turn into ego. Keep purifying the body. Keep checking your nervous system. Otherwise, that roller coaster you love turns into burnout, insomnia, and adrenal collapse real fast. Ascension isn't a linear sport, it's humility on repeat. So, group two, the overthinker. You feel everything, every frequency, every shift, and your mind turns it into fear. Your heart races, your stomach flips, you start Googling symptoms. Spirit says that's not anxiety, that's a detox signal. The bugs are dying, the toxins are moving, and your body is screaming for release. You don't need to analyze it, you need to move it. So sweat, shake, scream into a pillow, cry, breathe, but stop treating your body like the enemy. It's doing the heavy lifting for your evolution. You can't think your way to calm, you have to cleanse your way there. Group three, the depleted. You're not lazy, you're not broken, you're just overloaded. Your system is suffocating under layers of toxicity, stress, and self neglect. Spirit says this isn't spiritual failure, it's a biological cry for help. Your mitochondria are begging for minerals. Your liver is begging for rest. Your cells are begging for oxygen, sunlight, fruit, living food. Before you try to download light codes, you need to rebuild your vessel because the light can't live where it has been drained. So, all three groups, all of us, are being shown the same truth. You can't transcend what you refuse to tend to. Ego wants shortcuts, spirit demands cleanup. When the terrain clears, the fog lifts, the anxiety calms, the intuition amplifies, the aches vanish, the soul steps forward, and suddenly the rides don't scare you anymore. You throw your hands in the air and scream with joy because you finally have the capacity to hold the light. So I'll ask again, are you still the same number you were yesterday? Or did Spirit just show you the next level of work that you're ready for? So drop your new number below and let's see who's brave enough to tell the truth this time.